blockers here in the NCAA.
Start of the first set.
And we are officially underway. Here's the first set. At masyadong malakas underneath the ball sa palong yon.
That's outside. Medyo nararamdaman ko yung excitement for both teams.
Gracie Hiponia serving for the
Hiponia,
Lady Reds.
second season as the primary setter para dito sa San Beda. It's rare na rookie ka pa lang tapos ikaw na ang main setter ng team.
It's too short for
That's an
Perez.
error.
Point for
2-0
San Beda.
for San Beda.
Hiponia again. Oh,
Rotational fault on
a rotational error para dito sa EAC. And
San Beda up 3-0 early in the
Medyo
first set.
nahalata dito yung malaking adjustments for EAC. We'll see if mababago nila to. Oh,
Service setter.
ayun lang, straight to the tape of the net sa palo ni Gracie Hiponia as we see the reaction of Coach Kung Fu Reyes.
normal lang. Chill pa lang. Chill pa lang siya.
Joy Perez to serve for the Lady Generals.
Nakatakot ba magalit si Coach Kung Fu?
Yeah. Tingnan niyo na lang siya.
Ito yung pasa. Here's the set. Habakon soars, but is unable to score as Dequilla pops it up on the dolphin dive. Bachar.
Oh, solid block.
Block for good.
Okay.
for EAC.
The rookie from EAC High School, Ashley Toriado, denies Janelle Bachar she was the first best middle blocker in high school.
Malaking moral boost yun, ha? Kapag ginawa mo yan at the first set.
What a block
Yes.
by Toriado.
Good serve.
Quick attack for Navarro. Dequilla.
Oh!
And that is Jing Alimen.
Unti-unti na nilang nakukuha yung momentum nila and sana ma-maintain to hanggang matapos yung set.
Yeah, I was wondering why Jing Alimen barely played in the first match against Letran because in the first round last year, si Alimen yung leading scorer ng EAC. So maaga siyang pinakawalan dito sa match number 2 ni Coach Kirk Ong. Bachar na naman. Picked up from the back row, Dequilla.
Wow! Grabe yung mga pinapakawalang palo nitong EAC.
This is Cara Dayanan rising and avoiding the two blockers, Navarro and Habakon.
Sobrang iba yung impact, no? Pagka talagang unang set sa'yo, napapatay agad. Tingnan natin, kasi gumaganda yung energy ng EAC, eh.
4-0 run for the Lady Generals. Bachar. Puntos yan para sa San Beda.
Off a check, Janelle Bachar.
Bachar said, no, no.
Lumutong yung mga palo ni Janelle this season. You can see the improvement. The crispiness in her spikes.
Talagang power, eh. Good receive.
Oh, wow.
Ashley Toriado.
We are
gets
seeing
the drop.
shades of that talent and potential here from the young rookie, Ashley Toriado, the prized recruit para dito sa EAC. One-point lead for the Lady Generals. Ito yung pasa, one-handed set. Wow!
Of a set play, Aaron Navarro.
Parang hindi naman nahirapan yung setter doon. And sa height niya, ha, parang sobrang imposibleng magawa yun, pero nagawa niya.
What a set there by Gracie Hiponia.
Gracie Hiponia.
Running attack by Ramos.
Of a running attack.
That's a good set also.
Ramos.
Now, masasabi ko this season, just from the eye test about EAC is mas tumangkad sila.
Yun nga.
Their middle blockers have height now.
Actually, I was about to say na matatangkad talaga itong mga players ng EAC. So talagang kayang makipagsabayan.
And that's something na hindi natin masabi about EAC in the previous years.
Oo, kasi syempre pagka nagkaroon niya ng good receive and maayos na set, talagang papatay.
7 serving 5.
Cara Dayanan showing marked improvement as well. More elevation in her attacks as we see John Niega with a quick attack.
That's a good quick attack there.
Jermaine John Niega
6 serving 7.
nagpapakilala dito sa Season 101. Tequila, back set, running attack again for Ramos.
Running attack
Ramos.
good again for Marinel Ramos.
May dalang angas itong si Ramos. And when we come back, Fatima Reyes will give us her first update from courtside.
Welcome back mga kapuso. Nakatutok pa rin kayo sa NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball dito lang sa GTV. Now as we welcome the new head coach of the Lady Red Spikers, Coach Kung Fu told me that he feels nothing but excitement. At ito rin daw ang naramdaman ng kanyang kupunan sa pagdating niya. Para nga daw nakita niya ang mata ng mga in love sa kanyang team noong ipinakilala ang buong coaching staff nila ngayong season. At ngayon tinatrabaho daw nila na mas buuin ang sistema ng teamwork na siyang baon nila ngayong araw. On the other side, the Lady Generals will be playing without Alex Razonable, who is feeling under the weather, but Coach Kirk firmly told me bilog ang bola. Nagkulang lang daw sila sa focus, kaya naman ngayon bibigyan nila ito ng aggressiveness na sana raw ay mangibabaw. Anton and Carly.
Basta ako, gustong-gusto ko kapag nakakita ako ng mga mata na nai-in-love.
Talaga ba? Talaga ba?
Ganun pala ang effect, no?
Oo.
Pag reveal
Paano
ni
ba?
Coach Kung Fu.
Paanong itsura nun? Talagang nag-shine yung mata mo? Talaga. Ako kasi pag nakita ko si Coach Kung Fu, mag-hide ako.
Bakit?
Sa takot. Hindi, joke lang. Siyempre, nakasmile ako. Yeah. Mabait yan si Coach Kung Fu, guys.
I've never heard that, ha? Yung pag-reveal yung coach na kita
Mag-hide
ng mata
ka.
na parang nai-in-love.
Okay.
Hindi yung nag-hide.
Akala ko mag-hide. Ako lang pala yun.
Yung nag-hide, madalas yun eh, di ba?
Ako yun, matatakot ako. Magtago ako sa CR.
Hiponya with the set, Habakon down the line.
Ito na. Talagang inaantay niya lang mag-init siya. Si Angel Habakon.
Angel Habakon, 23 points in her first match for Season 101. Last year, meron siyang injury sa kanyang MCL.
Yes, as far as I
That's
know,
out for
7
Fernando.
games yung na-miss niya last year.
Yep. So now, 100% healthy na ito si
Yes.
Angel. Pero ang hirap ng ginawa niya, naglaro ng may MCL injury.
Ganun talaga pag alam mong palaban ka. Talagang walang masakit. And knowing
Hiponya.
Angel, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, what a
That's
save
still good.
right there by Dequilia. Oh, what a dig by Alemen.
Oh.
Habakon with the point on the play.
Sayang yun.
Sanbeda retakes the lead. 10 serving 9.
Gumulong sa net.
Buti na lang, hindi niya natapakan.
Oh,
ang bola.
that was close.
Yeah.
San Beda back with the lead after a 3-0 run.
It's a Good receive.
Perez sends it to the San Beda side. Hiponia picked up. Tequila. Alimen back row.
Back row attack went
Medyo
out.
napalakas yung hawi niya sa
Point
bola.
for the
But
Lady
good
Red
intention,
Spikers.
Knowing na walang libero sa loob, doon ko din talaga dadalhin yung bola.
Still serving for San Beda, Major Yega.
So we were seeing at the bottom side of our screens, Coach Kung Fu giving instructions to Gracie Hiponia. Ito, Carly, madalas bigyan itong rookie na to, si
Yes.
Perez, si Joy
Scores
Perez.
Mukhang mataas yung porsyento niya ngayong season.
And Joy Perez is also from EAC High School. She was awarded second
Mayet
best
Tequila,
outside
serving for the
spiker.
Lady Generals.
So, kumbaga, two of the best players na nasa mythical team ng EAC, nakuha nila.
Yes, for sure. And mas mataas yung kumpiyansa nila this time.
Tabakon.
Whoa!
Goodbye.
Angel Habacon targets the address.
Wow is right. Wow ka talaga.
talaga. Very powerful. And hindi na-touch ng blockers. So, medyo may hirapan talaga yung floor defense doon.
12-10. Uy,
Another.
pangalawa na yan.
Yes.
Rotational ball on EAC. +1 for San Beda.
Usually, Carly, ano ba yung reason na nangyayari yung mga rotational errors na yan? Is it a lack of communication or...
Depende. Kasi medyo mabilis kasi matatawagan if may talagang konti lang yung lagpas. So, dapat talaga alam mo yung pwesto mo and mas sakto kung saan ka talaga nakapwesto.
Toriado with
And
the
mas okay
just
talaga na
connect.
itatanong mo kung ano yung position nyo sa set na yan. Kasi usually, nangyayari talaga yan eh.
11.
So when in doubt, just ask. Para
Yeah, wala
sigurado.
namang bayad,
Oo.
di ba? Mas okay pa mag-ask ka sure pa. Kasi point na yun agad eh.
Joy Perez. The lefty open spiker. Bachar. Diana. Oh! Sayang.
That was short for Dayanan.
Maganda yung binabalak niya.
Yes,
Kaya
good
lang,
intention.
bitin lang.
Pero bumitin lang.
Timeout EAC Lady Generals.
Medyo malayo siya sa net.
Napansin nyo, lumamang sila sa errors natin. Masyado tayo may ingat maglaro. Kagaya niyan, idadrop mo. Bakit idadrop dun sa rap? Bakit idadrop dun sa dulo? Kumakuha nila, bayaan mo sila may rap.
Let's go tayo, habol tayo. Tatlo? Ako, coach. Bawi ako. Tara, tara! EIC! Okay! EIC! Smart!
That's new EAC head coach Kirk Ong, who came from Chiang Kai-shek High School.
Serving for San Beda is
And
team captain
they
Angel
assumed
Habacon.
the positions as coaches last July.
Good receive.
So halos 7 months. 7 months na silang nag-ensayo under Coach Kirk. De La Cruz. Tequila, back set. Oh, what? Defense from the back row by Habacon. And Bachar scores again.
Bachar again.
Hits the target.
Talagang alam ng setter na pag binigay ko to kay Bachar, kahit hindi siya super baon, talagang papatay.
Number 3, George Lutkin.
Mahirapan ng NCAA sa Most Improved Player Award.
Kasi madami eh. Sobrang dami nila. Miscommunication
That's a
there.
service
I mean, if there was such an award in the volleyball tournament, as we see that
And we're going
ace
to the second set
mula
for
kay
San
Angel
Beda.
Habacon,
It's
San
Beda
Beda
with the lead,
leads
16-11.
EAC 16-11. It's been a 9-2 run for San Beda University at ito yung huling ace mula kay Angel Habacon.
Miscommunication.
End of the second technical timeout of set number 1. Angel Habacon is still serving for the Lady Reds.
4 points for Angel. Lut. Diana has to improvise. Balik ang bola sa San Beda side. Bachar, nothing there. Biong to De La Cruz.
That was outside.
Draw scored in the corner from Pink De La Cruz.
At it's a
There's
challenge
to
ng
the ball by
EAC.
The challenge is ball in, ball out.
Sayo-sayo lang sila.
Yan ba yung ginagawa
Enjoy
mo?
lang. Partner, pagka ano, pinubuking mo ko ah. Si Ate Dim, ang ganyan. Talagang pipilitin kami.
Ah,
Yes. Siya ang sasayaw. Pag hindi kami sumayaw, lagot kami.
naalala ko yung video niyo ni ni Ate Dim eh. Yung
Alin?
nagma-Mario Kart kayo.
Nonchalant lang siya.
Yun natatawa ka kasi ang laki ng character niya.
Oo. Yun pa yung pinili niya. Talagang character ko lang matatakot ka na eh.
Let's see this video
That's
challenge.
outside.
Upon review, the ball
Medyo
went out.
napahaba.
So the challenge by EAC
Alam ni
was
Coach Kirk eh, because he was
successful.
right
Yeah.
there. He was standing.
Alam niya.
Plus 1 point for the Lady
Pero
Generals.
tinignan pa din. Malay mo naman, di ba?
Oh, but
Oh.
a counter challenge.
There's a
Net
challenge
touch.
called by San Beda. The challenge is
Siyempre,
net
di
touch.
magpapatalo si Coach Kung Fu. Net touch naman.
We'll see, we'll see.
Ay. Rinisin ba? Or
Yeah.
tutuloy ba nila?
We'll see if mag-grant ang challenge nitong San Beda.
May nakita si Coach Kirk.
Malinaw ang mata.
May nakita din si Coach Kung Fu.
Tingnan natin habang nire-review nila.
At pwede yan kasi baka yun nga, nakatingin sila sa kung saan bumagsak yung bola.
Yes.
But maybe there was a touch on the net that happened prior.
Yan yung importance talaga ng mga coaches na talagang observant no? Walang masasayang na point. Since itong EAC, alam natin na hindi pwedeng mag-chill. Yes. Ganyan nga.
Yes. Parang sinasabi mo, yes.
Ganyan nga. Mukhang nire-review naman. First set pa lang, nag-iinit na.
Ayan, pwede ka na mag-demo, Carly.
Bakit di mo ako sabay?
Okay. Paano ba yan?
Yung
Ano yun?
TikTok.
Oo nga.
Mini.
Sorry. That was so fail.
Hindi niya
Sorry.
alam yung TikTok. Minsan nga, sendan niyo po ng video si Anton. Napaghahalataan ako yung TikTokers.
Oh.
Is it a touch net? Parang wala naman. Meron ba?
Upon review, there was no
Wala.
net touch.
Wala.
So the challenge by San Beda was unsuccessful. The Lady Red Spikers have one remaining
Okay na
challenge
daw,
for the
sabi
set.
ni Coach Kung. Tinry lang naman.
Point goes to EAC.
Okay, balik tayo. Partner, manood ka na. Sisendan kita ng mga TikTok ha. Para pag-challenge, masasabayan mo. Pero
Patay
hindi
tayo
po ako
dyan.
yun. Si Anton yun. Sumayaw.
Gracie with the toss. De La Cruz.
Single block by Dayanan.
Bachar.
Janelle Bachar.
Ang lakas talaga.
Parang sabi ni Bachar, sige, progresuhin ko na to. At mahirap sa kaliwete, ah. Mahirap basahin ang kaliwete. So, pag talagang naglaro ang kaliwete, na talagang nilaro niya yung bola, may hirapan kang basahin.
And that's an ace for
Ace.
Erin Navarro.
For Erin Navarro.
Kita mo pa lang, alam mo nang mag-i-ace. Maganda yung hampas.
Substitution for EAC. Team out. Number 9, Erica Bodonales.
So, isa-sub muna ni Coach Kirk yung rookie na si Perez. Bodonal is in. Alimen, will she get it back? No. And finally, EAC
Dayanan.
stops the run.
Kahit nakita niyang Seaman block yan. In-enjoy niya yung point niya.
Cara Dayanan now at the service line. Masyadong malakas
Service out.
para kay Cara.
Medyo nadala siya ng adrenaline niya.
Substitutions for San Beda.
At ngayon naman si Coach Kung Fu ang magpapalit ng tao on the floor.
Number 8, Kat
Molina is in. And Espina is in as well. Si Espina ang backup setter ni Gracie Hiponia. Regalo!
Oh, wow! Regalo by De La Cruz.
Regalo.
Tapos na ang Pasko pero namimigay pa rin ng regalo.
Talagang bumalik ng napakabilis yun ito.
Over-received is a recipe for disaster. Lutz. Another running attack for Ramos.
Running attack again.
Nakarami na sa running itong si Ramos, ha?
Kanina ko pa siya pinapanood sa mga running attacks niya. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, iba yung impact talaga pag yung middle mo is main height and alam laruin yung bola.
Ang nickname daw nila kay Marinel Ramos is Laki.
Laki!
Kasi ang laki.
Oo, malaki nga naman. Pero yun lang, no? Medyo nasa-struggle tong EAC sa mga errors nila.
Yeah, it's the errors that have hurt
Yeah.
them and kasama na rin dyan yung dalawang rotational errors. Lutz.
Another one. We'll see.
Ramos.
Point again.
Of the block of Marinel Ramos.
Parang wala naman siyang ka-effort na tumalon doon, no? Sana ganyan din ako, no?
Eh kung ganyan ang height mo, magti-TikTok ka pa rin ba?
Malay mo.
Well, sa bagay, marami rin namang mga matatangkad na volleyball players who are very
Oo
much
naman.
into that.
I think that's out.
For Molina.
Nagbibigay din ng errors tong San Beda, so we'll see.
Serving for
21 to
Sino talaga
16.
yung pinaka-consistent? Yun talaga yung magiging panalo. Especially if yung kalaban mo is medyo mas maaayos sa'yo, di ba? Oh, another error.
Net fall on EAC. Point for San Beda. substitution for the Lady Red Spikers. Number 13 out. Number 5, China Castillo in there.
So Chai Castillo comes in for the first time. She's one of 3 graduating players. So si Castillo, Flores, and Navarro are the 3 graduating players from San Beda. Oh, what a set.
1-2 play.
I mean, a drop by the setter, Lut.
That's a good 1-2 play.
17, serving 22.
Talagang walang libero. Tiniming niya na walang libero sa loob.
Attack
Too
right
strong
now.
on that
That's
hit
outside.
for Molina.
+1
Walang
for the
nag-challenge.
Lady Generals.
So tuloy ang laban.
George Lut serving for EAC.
That's a good serve.
Free ball for EAC. Lut. Wow.
Off the block.
Signs of life
Erica Bodonal.
For the Lady Generals, Bodonal
O'Donnell.
elevates and breaks down the wall.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, no, na talagang hindi pwedeng mag-relax this match dahil hindi mo alam kung sino yung talagang pupuntos dito sa parehas na team.
19 serving 22.
3-0 run for the Lady Generals. Hiponya to Hapakon.
Off the block.
That's outside. Ang lakas nun, partner. Ang lakas nun.
Oo nga, eh.
There's a
Tsaka,
challenge
hindi pa
for the
siya
ball by
gaano
EAC.
nakabuelo, si
Oo.
The
Angel.
challenge is ball in, ball out.
Tingnan natin kasi parang inside nga yung kita ko eh. Tumitibay ang blockings ng EAC.
That's Coach Hebron Sardea.
Ready ka? Ready ka na?
No. No.
No daw po. Ayaw po ni Anto.
No. Okay na ako sa mga commentary content ko sa TikTok. Okay na ako doon. Sports commentary. Doon lang tayo sa linya natin.
Ayan na.
Ayan. It's for the fans. It's for the
Okay.
fans.
Kala mo, kinabahan ka. Lagot kapag tinutog ko sa atin,
No,
wala
no,
kang
no.
choice.
No.
Direk, ayaw po niya.
Let's see, ha?
Oh, that's out. So, sobrang lakas talaga nung hampas ni Angel doon.
Upon review, the ball went out. So the challenge by EAC was unsuccessful. The Lady
So,
Generals have
2
one
more
remaining
points
challenge
for
this set.
San Beda to take this opening set.
It's 23.
We'll see if mahabol pa to ng
19.
EAC or mapapanalo na to ng San Diego.
Lut. Here's the toss. Bodonal picked up from the back. Habakon. Bachar.
Bachar!
Janelle
Parang gusto niya nang
Bachar
tapusin. Sabi ni
off the
Bachar,
block.
okay na, tatapusin ko na to.
Set point for San Beda.
Kung mapapansin mo, siya talaga ng binibigan
Time
na
out.
binibigan ng
EAC
bola.
Lady Generals.
Ano yun, ha? Habakon to Bachar.
Yes.
Habakon to Bachar. Si Angel ang nag-set.
Taas mo
Ganun ang
lang.
gagawin niya. Kaya kailangan bantayan niya. Kung di nyo gagalawan, wala. Sayang, oh. 24-19, kaya pa yan. Lima lang yan. Diba? Pantayan nyo, tapos may natin. Sige, one pass. Sige, sige.
Let's go, boys! Hey, EAC! Up here! EAC!
I love how Coach Kirk Ong is very chill dun sa pagbibigay ng advices sa team niya, no? Very malaking malaking impact siya since ito na nga last one na yung kalaban. So, malaking
Against
tulong
San
yung
Beda
advice na
at
gano'n.
set point.
Kalmado lang.
Kalmado lang.
Is Gracie Hiponia.
Gracie is back on the floor. Lutz. Bodonal. Biong. Habakon.
It's a good dig.
Free ball for San Beda. Gracie wants it. She gets it and gives it to Angel. What a sliding dig. Sayang.
That's out for Botonal.
Ang ganda ng sana ng sliding dig ni Kakay de Andres.
Grabe ang depensa.
Look at this
Ladies and
dig
gentlemen,
by
that
de
ends our first
Andres.
set with San Beda winning 25-19.
Yun na.
Lady Red
Nag-error
Spikers
lang.
now have a 1-0 set advantage in this match.
So it was a tough first set, but in the end, San Beda making a run when they needed it the most. They take set number 1, 25-19. Ganun kagaling si Angel Habacon. Sophomore season was an injury riddled year, but still put up her numbers when she was available. Free ball, mapupunta sa mga bedista. Runner para kay Navarro. Wow, wow, wow. Mukhang hinahanap ka ng volleyball, Carly.
Okay na ni. Umalis. Di ko siya nasalo. Sayang. Her good intention dun for coverage. Good serve. That's an ace for Hiponia. Sabi niya tama na yung isang error niya na service dahil lagot siya kay Coach Kung Fu.
Yung San Beda, yung mga rookies na nakukuha nila, instant impact eh. Season 99 si Angel. Season 100 si Gracie.
Angel Habacon against the drop.
Angel Habacon. Gusto ko yung talagang nababasa niya kung lalakasan niya ba yung bola or hihinaan niya. Kahit sinong kalaban niya, talagang matalino maglaro. Oh,
Ang
ang
lakas.
lakas.
Joy Perez.
Rookie yan Joy
Yeah.
Perez.
Kaya siya nandyan, partner. Iba yung impact niya sa EAC when it comes to attacking. Parang hindi siya rookie eh.
Tsaka iba yung standing ng EAC in high school. They're a Final Four contender.
Matataas talaga ang kumpiyansa.
Oh, sanay manalo eh. Habacon.
At palaban.
Habacon gets the point on the play.
Another point for Habacon.
8 points na para kay Angel.
Second set pa lang. Dalawa na lang. Mag-double digits na naman siya.
Pero standards ni Angel, mataas eh. Siyempre, nanggaling sa 23.
Yes.
So, now she's at 9
Ayan
points.
na. May ace pa siya. Mukhang naririnig niya tayo, partner.
May routine si Angel. Ganda ng ikot ng bola.
Good serve.
The top spin is there.
It's still good. Oh, sayang.
Dayanan.
Good attack there by Dayanan. Walang nakaabot na blockers.
Toriado now at the service line for EAC. Yun lang. Masyadong
Error.
mababa. Now a slow start for EAC here in set number 2. Sayang dahil aside from the errors, maganda na yung pinapakita ng Lady Generals.
Whoa.
Oh, there you go.
Para Dayanan.
Another one for Dayanan.
Three, serving six.
There's the set for Bachar. Running attack again.
Buhay pa. Oh, yun lang.
Too low for the
Medyo malayo sa net yung bola kaya nahirapan siya doon.
Back-to-back points para sa EAC.
Pero good push by Angel.
Tina-target talaga si Angel.
Ayan na.
Wow.
The block pick, De La Cruz.
De La Cruz. Binawi niya agad.
Add to cart, check out.
Yes.
7, serving 4.
Good serve.
Marinel Ramos.
That's Ramos. Sobrang nonchalant niya din, no?
Turn off your flash in your camera.
Siguro, in my unofficial tally in my head, pangatlong running attack na ni Ramos yan.
Oo. Pero nonchalant pa din siya. Chill lang.
Alimen. No chill on that serve. Okay. Wow.
Another one for De La Cruz.
And we're off to our first
Bing
setting
De La
of
Cruz
second set.
gets another point, and when we come back, we will get another report from Fatima Reyes.
Tuloy-tuloy ang ating NCAA Women's Volleyball action dito sa San Andres Sports Complex. At dito nga tayo sa panig ng Lady Generals na ibahagi sa akin ni Coach Kirk na noong preseason magandang laban daw ang naipakita nila kontra San Beda. At ito ang hinahanap niya ngayong second set. Masyado daw kasing maingat maglaro ang kanyang kupunan, kumbaga raw ay nag-aalangan. Kaya paalala niya na tapatan nila ang galawan ng Lady Red Spikers dahil nakikita naman daw niya na kaya nilang pumalo. Pero kulang ito sa character at sa usapang character daw, sarili lang nila ang makakatulong sa kanila. And along with that character, Coach Kirk demands for consistency. And let's see how the Lady Generals will respond. Anton and Carlos.
Set falters. Point for the ladies.
Character. Sobrang importante nun, ah. Especially ito nga, naghahabol sila this set. Pero hindi pa rin naman nagkakalayo.
Oh, what's this? May wet spot ba?
Serving for EAC is Marinel Ramos.
Play will resume here. They were just checking a spot on the floor. Perez punches into the other side. Angel.
Angel! I think that's out. It's in.
So another double-digit outing for Angel Habakon.
Ito na siya.
9, serving 6.
Parang hindi pa siya, ano,
Hindi pa siya sumasagad. Parang wala pa yun. Alam natin yan eh.
Toriado staying active. Navarro. Angel. Perez gets the point for EAC.
Point for EAC.
Perez. Kung mapapansin mo, Anton, no? Yung parehas na rookie yung talagang gumagawa dito sa EAC. Iba yung character na na-build nito sa pinanggalingan nila. Iba yung kumpiyansa.
Number 7, Jill Katubig in.
Kung makikita mo, parang mga veterans na maglaro.
Yeah, yung I'm liking what I'm seeing from the two rookies of EAC, si Perez tsaka si Toriado. At ayan na, si Perez. Habakon.
Denied!
Toriado with the block.
See? Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na parang grabe yung maturity na nila sa loob ng court.
Siguro ang mindset lang ni Perez at Toriado, nasa high school pa sila.
Lalaro lang ako. Ganun lang naman, di ba? Pag high school, talagang laro lang. Walang kakaba-kaba.
Nasa high school pa sila at sila pa rin yung mga stars, sila pa rin yung mga top players in the tournament. Habakon.
Sabi ni Angel, hindi na ngayon. Na-stop agad. But yun, no, good thing dahil nadala nila to dito sa EAC ngayon.
10 serving 8.
Malaking impact to. Good receive.
Running attack. And Dayanan
Attack
scores.
good.
Talagang pag sinigaw mong palo, papaluin talaga. Kahit ako, partner, madadala ako pag ganun, ang lakas ng sinabi sa akin. Ang lakas ng sigaw ng kasama ko. Sige, papaluin ko.
Yun pala yung purpose, no?
Yes. Nakakadagdag siya. I think nakakadagdag siya ng strength. Ayun lang.
Service error.
Tsaka mahihiya ka rin na
Pag hindi mo penalo.
pinomotivate ka tapos hindi mo naman diniinan yung
Oo,
palo.
tama. Mababash ka pa.
For the Lady Red Spiders.
Good serve.
Hiponya. Oh,
Hindi na niya nagawa ng paraan this time.
Legal
oh, nung first set nagawa niya.
Yes.
Point for EAC.
Medyo sobrang over na nung nabigay na bola.
10 serving 11. Service out.
Too strong on that serve by Toriado. Navarro. Running attack for Navarro.
That's Ramos!
Flies it through for the point.
Fourth running attack for
For
Ramos.
Ramos.
11 serving 12.
Sabi ko sa'yo, partner, pag to tinuloy-tuloy nito yung pagiging nonchalant niya, mukhang nakakatakot. Good set.
Bachar over the blockers.
Smiling libero of EAC.
Bachar.
Jill Katubig. sees the
And
hole
Katubig
in the
is
middle
able to
bank.
get that one through. So, itong bagong player na pinasok ni Coach Kung Fu Reyes is able to make an impact. Katubig.
Serving for Sandeta.
Good thing, no? Kilala na ni Coach Kung Fu yung mga players niya and alam niya kung kailan niya talaga gagamitin.
Yan, isa siya sa mga rookies, si Jill Katubig. Oh!
Off the block.
Alimen!
Man.
That was a strong spike.
Pinapaalala lang ni Jing kung ano ang kaya niya. Jing Alimen.
At sa isang blocker niya lang ito pinadaan.
12 serving 13.
Hiponya. Oh, wow.
That was a good
Joniega.
play.
Dane Joniega.
nakakatuwa no for both teams. Kung sino man yung ipasok ng mga coaches, nagko-contribute talaga. Walang kaba.
Perez, cross court. Hiponya to Habacon. Perez. Hiponya. Habacon down the line.
Angel Habacon.
Kanina niya pa tina-target yung down the line pero itong EAC mukhang nahihirapan mag-adjust sa attacks ni Angel. Parang nakatatlong puntos yata siya dyan sa spot na yan, right? Good receive. Oh, denied.
Nahuli na.
Sanbeda wins.
Grabe yung reaction ni Angel doon. Sa wakas, nabasa na nila yung running attack ni Marinel Ramos. Sanbeda leads EAC 16-12. There's that running attack na kanina pa ginagawa ni Marinel Ramos and the single block by Angel Habacon.
Parang sinabi niya dito, kahit ganito yung height ko, kaya kitang abangan. Kaya ganun na lang yung reaction niya kanina. Smiling Angel Habacon.
Ang dami talagang highlights ni Angel kada laro. And it's not just the usual spikes.
Iba-iba, no?
Yung mga moments na gano'n, na nakaka-single block siya. Bachar.
Good dig for both teams.
Hiponya to
Another
Angel.
one!
Angel
Whoa!
hits the stride.
Ito na, mukhang nakikita ko na. Welcome to the show.
Mainit na.
Mainit na. Good serve.
13 points for Angel Habacon.
Ramos makes the tip pay for the point.
Pero sabi ng EAC, stop muna. And si Ramos pala yun ulit.
17.
Marinel Ramos serving. Good receive.
Angel.
Another one for Angel.
14 points for Angel Habacon.
Point.
Kahit siguro ako yung setter ni Angel, alam kong kada bigay ko sa kanya pumupuntos. Mukhang siya na lang siguro yung bibigyan ko kung gusto mo nang umuwi. Talagang porsyento eh, no? Pag binigay mo, wala nang mangyayari. Talagang puntos kung puntos. Ayan lang.
Service error.
Joniega straight to the net. Ay, hindi pa tapos to para sa EAC. They're only down by 4.
Yes. Also, nakikipagsabayan din sila sa attacking, so hindi natin alam. Good receive.
Hiponya.
Whoa! Navarro.
Iba yung passion ngayon ng Sanbeda sa paglalaro. We can see it in their reactions.
Timeout.
Look at that.
Lahat. Kanya-kanya na tayo sa loob. Oh. Kanya-kanya ang laro natin. Oh. Wala nang katulong tong gitna. Oh. Kaya try natin i-reverse tong gitna. Hindi na tumutulong. Pang ito, hindi na rin tumutulong. Ha? Umigit na yung blocking natin. Kaya kaya na sila po ako. Okay?
EAC. Number 15 out.
Former EAC setter Angeline Formento is in attendance to cheer on her former teammates.
Good serve.
Hiponya. To who else? Habakon. Hiponya. Back set to Bachar. The address keeps it alive.
Oh, yun lang.
Still low for Maldonado.
Medyo nag-alangan siya doon. Yun yung sinasabi talaga ni Coach kanina na bakit kayo nag-aalangan, di ba? Bakit hindi kayo makipagsabayan sa pag-atake? Did you see it?
Bachar.
Oh,
Bachar gets the point.
Ang sarap panoorin ng San Beda from our vantage point kung saan tayo nakaupo. Dahil
Yes.
pag naka-good receive, may kita mo si Angel
Makikita
tsaka si
mo.
Janelle. Hihiwalay na eh, may
Oo,
pwesto na eh,
totoo.
para makabuelo.
Sarap. Pero tingnan mo dito.
Diba? Di na kayo nag-uusap sa loob, di na kayo naglalaro. Come on. Nawala yung aggressiveness natin. Malayo pa yan, kaya pa natin yan. Come on.
So just trying to provide a little bit of encouragement itong si Coach Kirk Ong. Now, while Coach Kirk was delivering his message, tumingin ako sa side ni Coach Kung Fu, linabas na yung board.
oh. Kinakita na niya.
So, strategy and positioning, ina-adjust lang. Reminders from Coach Kung Fu.
Medyo nahihirapan mag-adjust tong EAC this set.
22, serving 14.
Iba talaga pag yung aggressiveness talaga ang nawala. Free ball.
Hiponya. Bachar.
Bachar! Parang bihira ako makitang pumalo this set si Bachar. Parang puro Angel tayo this set. Pero good thing nagko-contribute pa rin siya.
Yeah, itong last 2 points kay,
Sa kanya yon.
kay Bachar, binigay ni Gracie.
Siguro kanina kasi alam na mababasa siya eh, no? Solid
Botaval.
block!
Erin Navarro with that passion. Set point for San Beda.
Basang-basa na.
Set point.
Huling-huli.
Grabe.
Set point for San Beda.
That was out. Outside.
Service out.
Ayaw ni Coach Kung Fu yun. Ayaw niya yun. Ayaw niya yun. Sabi ko sa'yo, mag-error ka na nang nahihirapan ka, pero yung mag-error ka ng sarili mo, lagot ka. Good receive.
Bachar on the drop. Alimen. Hiponya. Oh, what a play.
That's out.
Ganda sana ng play.
Went down.
Medyo na-excite tong San Beda.
Parang nakita ko na yung play na yan dati pero si Cici yung pumapalo.
Na-absorb na ng San Beda.
Napanood ko na yan Pero yung kay Cici talaga,
Iba.
at taas ng lipad, tas
Yes.
baon na baon. Angel opting for a drop sa pagkakataon na yon.
Oh.
Hindi matapos ng San Beda.
Hindi pa.
Point for the Lady Generals.
3 straight points na sila yung nagbigay for EAC.
Timeout. San Beda Lady
And
Reds.
now we will get to hear a Kung Fu huddle.
Yan lang. Yung pinakamadaling atake lang tayo. Ha? A pass, B pass. A pass, B pass. Erin, pwede sa ito. Pwede dito, pwede dito. 9, 9. Malanganin, nandito si Jimmy.
Keep it simple.
Simple lang, kasi last one na eh, di ba? Kumbaga parang dapat sila yung mas kalmado dito since sila yung last one.
Oh. Angel. Back set. Bachar.
Too tight.
They need a good receive.
Yes.
Kasi nagpanggaan yung receivers dun eh.
Kita mo, pinapakalma na nito ni Coach Kung Fu yung mga players.
Sinubukan pa rin ni Angel eh. Kahit alanganin. At muntikan na rin siyang malagay sa alanganin doon. Oh, San Beda can't get a good receive.
Ang ganda rin kasi ng pinapakawalan ng mga service na itong EAC eh. Hindi pa tapos. Hindi natin alam kung ano pang pwedeng mangyari.
One good receive so they can execute the play that Coach Kung Fu wanted in that last huddle.
Good
There
receive.
you go. There you go.
That's right.
Alam na.
Alam na.
Off the block.
Angel Habakon. She now has 14 points in the match.
Set number 2.
Kung makikita mo, kanina pa niya gustong tapusin yung game. Pero nag-struggle nga talaga sila sa receive.
Set number 2 belongs to San Beda once again. And off to set number 3 we go.